Let's start with something honest. I'm a Windows 11 user. I use it daily. I understand it. It works for my needs. But that does not mean I dismiss Linux Mint. In fact, I respect it, a lot more than many people realize. If you've been using computers for decades, you've seen operating systems come and go. You've seen Windows 95, XP, 7, 10, and now 11. You've seen promises, changes, improvements, and sometimes changes that didn't feel like improvements at all. Linux Mint feels different, and that's where the respect begins. Linux Mint does not try to impress you with noise. It does not try to look trendy. It does not chase the latest design fashion. Instead, it asks a very simple question. How do we make a computer feel comfortable again? That matters more as we get older. For many people over 50, a computer is not a toy. It is a tool. You want it to turn on, stay out of your way, and let you do what you came to do. Linux Mint understands that. When you sit in front of Linux Mint for the first time, nothing jumps out to confuse you. There's a menu. There's a taskbar. There's a clock. Files are where you expect them to be. That alone earns respect. Now, let's talk about Windows 11 for a moment, because I use it. Windows 11 is polished. It's powerful. It works very well with modern hardware, but it also assumes something about you. Linux Mint takes the opposite approach. It assumes you value stability over novelty. That's not weakness, that's wisdom. Linux Mint changes slowly, and when it changes, it explains itself. Updates don't feel like surprises, they feel like maintenance. For someone who has been using computers for 30 or 40 years, that's comforting. Another reason I respect Linux Mint is how it treats your attention. It does not nag you. It does not beg you to sign into accounts. It does not push services in your face. You turn it on, you work, you shut it down. That relationship feels respectful. Now let's talk about performance for a moment, because Linux Mint runs well on older hardware, and that matters more than people admit. If you have a computer that still works, Linux Mint lets it keep working. You're not forced into upgrades. You're not told your system is suddenly obsolete. That mindset respects your money and your time. Windows 11, by comparison, has stricter requirements. There are reasons for that, security being one of them, but it still leaves many capable machines behind. Linux Mint doesn't do that. Now here's something important. Respect does not mean blind praise. Linux Mint is not perfect. Some software is easier on Windows. Some hardware works better out of the box on Windows. And if you depend on very specific professional tools, Windows 11 might still be the better choice. Then that's okay. Respect means understanding strengths and limits. Linux Mint is not trying to replace Windows for everyone. It's offering an alternative for people who value control and calm. For older users, that calm is everything. You don't want surprises when you're paying bills. You don't want surprises when you're writing documents. You don't want surprises when you're organizing photos. Linux Mint minimizes surprises. Another thing I deeply respect is how Linux Mint handles learning. You're not rushed. You're not punished for going slow. You can learn one thing at a time. The system waits for you. That's rare today. Many modern systems assume you'll just figure it out. Linux Mint assumes you want to understand. That's a subtle difference, but it matters. Now, let me be clear. You do not need to abandon Windows 11 to respect Linux Mint. Respect does not require switching. You can stay on Windows 11 and still appreciate what Linux Mint represents. A different philosophy, a quieter approach, a focus on usability over flash. In fact, many people dual boot. They use Windows for some things, Linux Mint for others. That flexibility itself is something I respect. Linux Mint doesn't lock you in. It doesn't trap you. It gives you choices. As someone who's been around technology long enough to see trends rise and fall, that earns my respect. So, do I respect Linux Mint as a Windows 11 user? Yes, absolutely. I respect it for its restraint. I respect it for its stability. I respect it for respecting the user. And for an audience over 50, that respect is not abstract. You feel it every time the system stays out of your way. If you're curious about Linux Mint, you don't have to rush. You don't have to commit. You can explore slowly, at your own pace. That's the spirit Linux Mint was built on. And honestly, any technology that understands that pace deserves respect. Thanks for spending this time with me. If you're using Windows, Linux, or both, what matters most is that your computer works for you, not the other way around.